Hello, all the lovelies, and welcome back. Apologize for my appearance, but I really don't care. I got some happy mail. Well, actually, I've got winnings from Rachel at Yarn at Play. I won her 2,500 subscriber giveaway. So that came. And I also, from Marie Chavez, darling, 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 we love you so much. I made a deal with her and I purchased some yarn that she had that I've never tried. So I've never had it before. So I'm excited to open that because now that I'm into like this sweater making, I did not make this sweater. This is a purchased, but into the sweater making, I think everybody's going to get sweaters. They're tired of scarves and blankets. So sweaters are the next obsession. Anyway, this is from Rachel, Yarn at Play. And she felt bad because, well, her family, you know, she got the little kids and they were all not feeling well. And I kept telling her, no worries, no hurries. But she said she threw a little extra in here for me because of my patience. But that was totally unnecessary. Anyway, oh, I was so excited about this. Look at this. Oh, I hope you know I'm going to open it because I want you to be able to see. Yes, that's so true to color. Well, actually, it looks a little more purplish on the camera. It's ice yarn. Oh my gosh, it feels like butter. It is gorgeous. But yeah, that's fairly true. You don't see the gold quite as much, and the copper is a little more red, and it is black. So it is a little bit different on there than it is here. But this, I should have brought it down. I have some gold and copper yarn that I didn't know what I was going to do with, but I don't even know why I bought it, but you don't have to have a reason to buy yarn, you know that. And now that I have this, super stoked that might go, and then I can put together maybe another sweater. But anyway, thank you so much for that. And there's more. And then she had said this is really pretty too. This is the Karen Simply Soft. And I don't think I've used, well, these are small skeins. I think have used Karen Simply Soft, but I think maybe bigger skeins? I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe they were this size. But these are brown, and these actually also work very nicely with the yarn she gave me. But I'm hoping the other yarn that I have will work better with that. And then these are extras for my patients, which was unnecessary, but oh my God. She must have watched my videos because mandala. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. I love these colors. And I got two. This is the red heart. Oh, roll with it. Red heart. I've not tried that. Looks like a 4-weight. But oh my gosh, those colors are so gorgeous. That's so me. Just a multitude of colors. Just a colorful little person. I'm going to put them back in the box. And that gorgeousness. And I don't have this one. This is Mandela Baby. It's a 3-weight, which is awesome. And yeah, I guess that's the new labels they're doing now. The other one I opened up, they had 2 of the old labels and one of the new labels, and it confused me. But that's easy to do, to confuse me. Anyway, beautiful. Oh, thank you, Rachel, so much. I adore Mandela, and those work up, especially the 3-weight works up really well in the Addy, as she well knows, because that's who I learned how to do all my Addy stuff from, is Rachel at Yarn at Play. So definitely, if you're not subscribed to her, definitely go, and especially if you have an Addy or plan on getting an Addy, definitely hit her up on her channel because she does amazing stuff with that. Now this, scissors. This is a box. Well, let me show you the size. This box is from Marie Chavez. And I'm super stoked. I also got one of my Joanne, one of the bags. But since Joanne's is just sending stuff randomly, I'm going to wait and get all the Joanne's and open them at once. My gosh, Marie, you got this taped up. No one was going to break into this box. And, oh my goodness. And they're really cool. Oh, what cool bags. Oh, I like these with the green and the white stripes. Oh, she's got everything individually bagged. And thank you for the bags. Because I use the old pellet stove. When we throw pellets in the pellet stoves, I save those bags for garbage bags. I just try to, you know, reuse. But this is the yarn I have not used. And Angela at My Precious Yarnery, she talks often about making sweaters out of puzzle yarn. So this is why I made a deal with my bestie over there, Maria, to get buy some puzzle yarn off of her. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. It's gray. Yeah, I'm using natural light from the window, so it's making everything look unnatural. Anyway, those colors, and I forgot, I bought a few different colors, and I bought whatever skeins she had left of that. So here's 3 more of that same. So that's, and that one that she just threw in there, thank you for that, as an extra. So there's 3, 4, that one's 5. I don't remember how much of what colors, but they're black and gray. 5. Look at 6, 7, 8. All right, so that's going to make probably a couple sweaters. It's all acrylic. The color is Sudoku, which I love Sudoku puzzles. I kick butt on those things. Where's the yardage? Yardage. All right, 300. Okay, so 328 yards per skein, and it's 6, 7, 8 skeins. You do the math, and that's enough to do in like one of those nice big sweaters that I've been doing. So super stoked. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have so many sweaters. And then this color, I did buy 3 different colors. Yes. Oh my, I could just, I'm gonna make jammies out of this. Oh my gosh, Angela, now I know why you love this so much. All right, puzzle yarn and premium. This colorway is upside down. This one is maize. Oh, okay, so in French, I'm assuming it's French. Labyrinth. So labyrinth, that we use that term means maze. Yes, hello. And also, ironically, it's the French term. I didn't know that. And I used to know French. Anyway, so I have, oh my gosh, I love this green. There's 2 in there, and then 2 more bags of 3, so that's 6, 7, 8 of those. And then I only got 3 of these, but love, of course it's purple. Hello. And this is the Sori yarn. So 3, 6, 9. I could make a shorter sweater with that. So, oh my gosh, Maddie, thank you very much, Maddie. So look at that, all this lovely yarniness. Oh my God, I was so excited. Hubby and I went up to, we drive to a town called Cuba in New York. It's about 45-minute drive each way. And we buy our cigarettes there because they're Indian, Native American cigarettes. So they're cheaper. They're like $3 a pack instead of the 12 that it is in New York. And even though I'm quitting, I was out of cigarettes and I bought some, so I have them so I can still cut down. But I've been using the vape a little bit more than normal now, which is good, but I feel like that makes more goo in the area where I already got goo. Oh, look, I just cut this because I don't like when they're tighter on my neck, so I snip it. Anyway, that's that. And the Joann's, I said I'll do that in another video. Let's see, oh my goodness, we're almost 10 minutes. Thank you. And thank you all for, hopping onto that giveaway we're doing. If you haven't already, check it out. It's a 500 beautiful human being subscriber giveaway. And there's 4 choices of a gift, so you get to pick what you like. And I'm probably close to 220 people already that have entered, but some people, because you can enter 3 different ways. So that's another thing. So if you do watch a video, if you haven't, watch to the end because there's 2 other ways you can enter. So you can have 3 entries instead of just 1, and pick what you like. And that'll be next Sunday, whatever the date is then. But maybe this will come up after that. Who knows? Because I sometimes hold on to these and pop them on when I feel it's appropriate. But love you. I hope everybody's well. Stay safe, stay healthy, all that kind of stuff. And be kind. And I will talk to you soon.